Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can set the default calendar start week on for the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Then from the home screen, tap on settings. Now in the settings page, we scroll down and then tap on calendar. Now go down and tap on start week on. Now by default it is set to Sunday, so in here you can choose another day such as Monday, so we can start the week on Monday instead of Sunday, Tuesday, or whichever day that you would like to use. And that's it. Now so this will only apply to the calendar app. After you can tap on the back key or swipe up to go back to the home screen. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.